The Chap Olympiad is a long-standing event we've been running for the last 15 years, and it's basically a celebration of sporting ineptitude. When we started, England was doing really badly in international sports. I know they're doing quite well now, but then there was nothing. We were failing at everything, so we thought, why not create a series of events that actually celebrate the buffoonery and the ineptitude of the British sportsman. And so really, there aren't any sportsmen here. There are well-dressed people wearing fabulous clothes who have no idea how to hop, skip and jump or play football or play cricket, but they're really good at trouser gymnastics or hop, skip and G&T or Cucumber Sandwich Discus. So it's all about celebrating the skills that chaps actually have rather than the ones they don't have.
But the beginning of the Chap Olympiad 2019. And they're off. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an exchange of food. This is the team in Helen shall be our judge. And Helen was Chaps. We have an inch of tea, ladies and gentlemen. 1 whole inch of tea. We have exchange of food. We have a pink touch of ground.
It's the British at their best, I think, you know, and it's to be able to be light-hearted and not take things too seriously, and that's what I like about it. That's what draws me to it as well, and the characters and the games. I think it's fantastic.
Umbrella jousting is our key event, and it really sort of tests the skills of a gentleman in holding a furled umbrella and a briefcase while riding a bicycle and being charged at by another chap on a bicycle with the same equipment. So it's really quite difficult, and it's all about coordination and handling of the gentlemanly skills, and there's not really much sporting involved. I mean, we really avoid any sporting tests. We're testing gentlemanly skills, not sporting skills.
And we have a young man coming forward in a fine tweed cap and at the boots. Oh, an impressive throw. He's off, ladies and gentlemen. He's on the slicks, and it's a marvellous leap. A marvellous leap. It's the other end of the field. I recognise as being Jeremy Corbyn from 1973. And he is ladies and gentlemen, in forward a roll to Nick Comfort.
Well done. That's right. No, you're right.
Miss Bennett joining in. Richard and there was a very tweed revolution.